Hi guys, great day. In this video, I'm just going to re-echo the ingredients that I have used in my cooking tutorial a while ago about pinakbet, gulay na pinakbet. Okay, so we have the ampalaya, the string beans, the garlic, the onion, the ginger, the pre-cooked liempo, the olive oil, the okra, the talong, the ampalaya, and then the squash. Okay, the garlic, 6 cloves of garlic, the tomato, the bagoong regular. Optional, the gata and the dilis, okay? So, it's up to you if you will be using the gata, the sili, and the other ingredients, okay? So, we have the sigarilyas, the onion, 1 head onion, okay? Well, I'm streaming a while ago. The internet connection got poor, okay? So, that's why I ended up the stream. And in this video, I'm gonna show you the remaining videos that I haven't shared because of the interruption caused by the poor internet connection. So, here again, this is done. As you can see, ayan. Jesus. Niluto na siya. Ayan yung niluto ko, guys. Okay. Tada! It's done. Yummers. So, ayan na po. So, a while ago, while the internet connection is getting poor, the time that I'm putting the sigarilyas, okay, it's no longer covered, okay, and the time that I put the okra, I think I don't, the talong, okay, so right now it's done already, and I already put the ampalaya, okay, as you can see, and I added 1 piece of pork cubes, okay, so this has meat, pork liempo, okay, pork liempo. This is done, guys. Ayan, dumi. Sorry. So, the kalabasa, the squash is already done. So, yan na siya, guys. Okay, so it's perfect. It's done. So, I hope you learned something from the video, guys. And if you want to see the first part of the tutorial, I've made it live. Okay. So, kindly watch the full video. I will be dropping the link, okay? So, bye and thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video. And if you want to see more other uploads, you can visit my cooking tutorial playlist, The Shasha's Home Chef. Bye and God bless, guys. Love you all.